see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Si Holly lang ang mag-shoutout tonight. Kasi yung mga bata, kararating lang nila kanina galing Adelaide. So, pagod na pagod sila. Today is May 19 and yes, updated yung ating shoutout. Pero yung vlog natin is late. So, sila po yung may pasok sila bukas. And yeah, pagod sila from Adelaide. So, can you say shoutout po kay Noel Spangler, Ashley Solis, Samila Rose, Rosa, Milagros Espinosa, Risi Rosa, Hanika Basanes. Look at the camera. Mercy ni Kismundo. Okay, good night people. Bye. Okay, good night. Nandito na kami ni Holly sa kanyang swimming lesson. Ayan si Holly, excited na siya. And etong term na to, last week ko lang nalaman na hindi na ako sasama kay Holly sa swimming pool kasi since nagsiswimming si Holly, lagi akong kasama sa swimming pool. So pati ako basa. So this term, hindi na kasi big girl na yan. But baby, you can swim now by yourself. Yes. Pero syempre, mayroon pa siyang floaty. Okay, let's go. Tingnan ko kung makapag-vlog tayo doon, guys, ha. Say, see ya! See ya! Okay. Don't jump, ha. Wait, okay? Okay, go. Go, Papa. Don't jump. Hi. Say hello. We miss you. Wait for your turn, okay? Okay. Look, you're gonna wear this today, Baba. May flippers sila today. Upo ikaw, Baba. Upo. Good girl. What time is Saturday? 3:30 sa? And then teacher is 4 o'clock. Good luck, Papa. Siya yung maliit sa dalawa. Good job, Baba. You have to sit, Baba, ha? Kick, Baba, kick. Kick, Baba, kick. Okay, ready? We're going to swing to the other stick. Good boy. Okay, Holly, you ready? Yes, go. You lost it. Ang laki pa ng flippers. Yan yung flippers niya natanggal kasi malaki pa sa kanya. Ayan. Go! Your ear, Baba. Good job, Baba. Ang layo ng silim niya. Wait, Baba. Good job, Baba. Good job. Yes? Yes?
Hold back. Turn around. Back we come. Easy. Fast toes. Good deal. Keep holding. Keep forward. No arms yet. No arms yet. Just hold on and kick. Hold on and kick. Just kick. Don't work out your arms yet. You need to work out your arms. Got it? Hold on and kick. Good deal. Fast toes. You know, hold on.
You have to hug Baba. Good job. Let me see you, Baba. Don't jump, Baba. Don't jump.
You don't have to slow down or anything on. So you need to wait. Go, hold it. Eyes in, tick, tick, tick. Good girl. Ready? Set. Go. Ready, set, go.
Good job. Good job. Good job, Baba.
Perfect. Eyes in, eyes in.
Ayaw niya ng goggles.
Yes. Excellent.
And then sit down, sit down. Good job.
Fast eyes. Good girl. Good boy, that helps. I'm going to go get the mirror. I'm going to go fast. Ready? Arms out, Holly. Chelsea, like big push. Hold. Go. Eyes in, eyes in, eyes in. Good girl. Good job. Keep him going back to the step. Ready? Go. Keep going. Okay, now.
Good job, Baba.
We walk.
Don't run, Baba, ha? Just walk slowly. Slowly. Walk slowly.
Okay, buddy, follow Holly. Stand up. Stand up. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. You try to pick yourself up. Go, Holly.
Jump, Baba, jump.
Go.
Takot siya.
Stand up. You can stand up and jump. You stand up and jump. Ready, set, go. Good girl. Back you go. Hold on, no. No, sister. Hold on. Good girl. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here's my hand.
Oh, doon siya.
Ready? Big jump. 1, 2, 3, go. Good girl. Just like that, sister. Keep it, keep it down. Hold on, hold on. Good girl. Okay, ready now? Ready?
Good job, Baba.
Right there. Okay, Holly.
Jump, Baba, jump. Jump. Jump.
Stay on the step. Hop down, stay on the step. What was that? Right, swing to the step, go. Okay. Wait on the step, leave Holly. Okay, ready?
Stay there, Baba.
Good job, Holly. Here you go. Good girl. Pop them in the basket. That's okay. Ready? Arms out. No kicking. No kicking.
Lay down, Baba.
No kick, no kick. Gotta float. Just float. No kicking. Legs still, legs still.
No kicking, Baba. No kicking. Floating, Baba.
Did you see Chelsea float? Did you see Chelsea floating? Come on. Right, go. High five.
Finish.
Good job. Up again. Good job with your fingers today. Don't run, Chelsea.
Come on, Baba. Come on. Done. Good job. Here. Mommy, change you now. Ayan. Ayan, nagkikwento na siya. Ayan, tapos na siya mag-swimming. Sabi niya, nag-lay down daw siya sa pool. Yung nag-float ba? So, yun, next week, magdadala ako ng, ng socks. Kasi, di ba, yung flippers niya, nahuhulog. Mag-drive na daw tayo. Nahuhulog. So, next week, sabi na, yung nagtuturo sa kanya mag-swimming, magdala daw ako ng medyas next week, sa Monday. So, 2:38 na, uwi na tayo kasi si Jan naman ang papunta dito pagkatapos, pag uwi ng mga bata galing sa school, diretso, mag-change lang sila, then diretso din sila dito kasi si Sak, ang swimming lesson niya is 3:30, ang labas nila is 3:15, malapit lang kasi yung school, tsaka yung bahay namin sa school, tapos dito sa swimming lesson, so yeah, 3:30 si Sak, and then si Kuya TJ, 4 o'clock. O, iba-iba silang class. Pero pare-pareho silang Monday. So, si Jan naman sa boys. So, tayo, uwi na tayo. Right, Baba? Say see ya! See ya! Then, kanina pala, on the way dito, nakaidlip si Holly. Ginising ko siya. Sabi ko, uy, nandito na tayo. Gusto mong umuwi? Sabi niya, no. So, yeah, uwi na tayo. Kasi, ipiprepare pa natin yung ating steak. Steak ang dinner namin ngayon. And mashed potato. And ano pa ba? Mixed vegetables. So yan. Say see you guys. See ya guys. Say see ya. See ya. Bahay na kami. Ayan. Kinuha niya. Ayaw mo naman yan eh. Gawa ako ng ng shake. Gawa tayong watermelon shake, Baba. Gawa tayong init. Ayaw niya yung Pringles na salt and vinegar. Ayan. Nagutom yung swimmer natin, oh. Ayan yung rice cracker na sa, ano siya, sa Coles ko siya nabili, pero sa Asian, ano siya, aisle. Sarap. Wait, kuha muna ako ng watermelon sa freezer. Dito ko linagay sa isang, ano na, dito kasi yung malaking freezer sa shed ni Jan. Oops. Yes, wait, Baba. Wait, come on. Ayan, sumama si Holly. Ang init dito. And tingnan nyo, nag-order si Jan ng yeah, golf balls. Yung mga used na to, ito yung pinagpa-practice nila TJ. So, dito yung ating watermelon. O, tayong watermelon. Hala, ang tigas na ha. Wait. Kailangan natin itong ibagsak. Wait, Baba, alis dyan, Baba. Para maghiwa-hiwalay. Oh, alis dyan, Baba. Hala, ayaw maghiwa-hiwalay ng watermelon natin. Ayan na. Hold this, Baba, please. Isa. At tatlo. Kunya, tatlo. So, ito, tatlo. Yep. Oops. Akin na. It's cold. Oops. Oops. Akin na. Time for Mama. Okay, let's go. Let's go out now. It's at Baba, come on. Holly. Go. May chinelas na naligaw dito si Sak. Go inside now.